What's going on, Garrett here. In this video, I'm going to reveal a little known copy-paste free traffic source you must use. You can see a screenshot right here, these PayPal payments coming in like clockwork every single hour. And I'm going to reveal everything you need to know to start to get results with this traffic source. Now, what you're going to discover in this video is two little known, incredibly powerful free sites you can use to get massive traffic to your affiliate offers. Now, it doesn't matter if you're brand new. It doesn't matter if you're not very technical. It doesn't matter what niche you're promoting products in. Okay, a lot of these methods are just in a certain niche. It can be health, wealth, relationships. It does not matter. I'm going to share how you can do this without spending a dime. Now, I'm going to share with you how these sites work and exactly how you can post your first ad to start getting traffic today. So again, this method doesn't take a lot of time. It takes just a couple minutes a day. And I'm going to share with you how by the end of the video, you can start to get traffic. And some people may even get a sale by the end of this video. Okay. And I'm even going to share with you how you can take your results with these sites and scale them even more. Okay. So you really want to pay close attention, and also be sure to stay to the very end of this video, because you're even going to discover how you can access tons of copy-paste ads so you can swipe and deploy so you don't even have to write the ads yourself. I'm going to share how you can access these, so stay tuned because you do not want to miss this. Now, before I dive into exactly how to get free traffic with this method, if you're promoting an affiliate offer or program that's not converting, it doesn't matter how much traffic you send to it, you're still not going to make sales. Be sure you click the first link directly below this video and access my free training revealing my #1 affiliate program that's very good at getting people to buy, so you can use this free traffic and get massive sales as well. But without further ado, let me dive in right now. Okay, so one of the first sites is called freeglobalclassifiedads.com. Okay, now I'll include these links directly below in the description as well. What this site allows you to do is sign up for a totally free account, and it allows you to post classified ads. Now, the cool thing about this site is they have massive different categories. Okay, so they have business opportunities, work from home, real estate, okay, for sale. If you have art, if you have books, magazines you want to try to sell on here, if you have, community activities, jobs. So the point is, they have tons of different categories that you can find products in to start to promote using this free site. Now, they also have different locations. Okay, so I know a lot of my viewers are in different countries from around the world. You can actually still use this site and start to get results. So the way it works is, first off, you want to create a free account. And again, it's totally free. You just put your name, your email address, create a username, password. And once you actually create that account, okay, you want to log in. Now, I've already logged into my account, and what I want to do in this video is I want to promote a work from home opportunity. Okay, now this site right here, this free training is going to share with you how you can access an incredibly powerful work from home opportunity that you can actually use this to promote. Okay, so all you have to do when you're ready is click publish your ad for free at the top right. And then we're just going to go through the categories and publish this. Okay, so what you want to do is, first off, select the category that best suits your product. Okay, so for me, I'll do either work from home or business opportunities. Okay, now title. Now this is where we're going to start to write the ad. Now, like I said earlier, you're not going to have to write the ad. I'm going to actually give you access to tons of copy-paste ads you can use. Now, in order to access this, all you have to do is go under this video. Be sure you click the link to access those copy-paste ads. It's going to take you to a site that looks like this. Okay. Now, again, the first thing you want to do is you want to click here, check out that best system to promote with these ads. Okay. These have the links as well to these websites. I'm going to cover the other website in a second, which is very similar. And then these are the copy-paste ads to post. So the first thing is, we have 50 different titles and headlines you can swipe and deploy. Okay. So for example, I could use #1. Okay. Attention, start today, get paid today. Okay. So I can copy this. I can go back here. Okay. Go to the title, and I just want to post that into the title. Now for the description, okay, what we want to do is go back here, and we want to go down, and we want to look at the ad bodies section, okay? So I have all these different ad bodies I've created for you. You can just literally copy one of them, okay, like this. Okay, so you can go down and choose which one. I'm going to use this one for this example, okay? Go here. And what these ads do is, again, this gets people interested in what we're promoting. Now, if you're promoting, like I said, make money online, work from home, business opportunity, which I know a lot of my YouTubers, my YouTube audience do, then these ads are going to work perfect for you, okay? So all you want to do is just go through. You can erase there, get the details here, okay? Now, what you can do now is for the price, okay? A lot of times I'll just do free, okay? Because it really doesn't cost the person anything to click the affiliate link and check out our offer, okay? So we just want to go to country. If there's a specific country that maybe your product only works in, maybe people can only buy in Canada or Australia, something like that, then you can actually change the country. But you could just put your country, okay, or the country you want people to see it. I always do United States. Region, if you want to do a specific region, okay, so maybe it only works in a specific place. You can do, Texas or, a specific place, Cleveland. This doesn't really matter that much, okay? Now, please visit our website. This is where you want to put your affiliate link, okay, or your website. The place that you want to drive traffic to, that's what we want to put in here, okay? So, for example, let me just do Google, okay? But this would be my affiliate link. Keywords, if you want your ad to kind of show up under specific keywords, you can put there. So I could do, work from home, make money online, phone, Facebook, you can leave that blank, okay? YouTube video, if you have a video, maybe that shows more proof on the, product you're promoting, you can actually put that there. Otherwise, you can kind of leave that blank. I usually leave that blank. And then you want to go down here. Now, you can actually, go no thanks, okay? Because this is going to charge you money to actually try to highlight it. You don't have to do that. Remember, this method is totally free. Once you go ahead and you put your category, the title, the ad, free, all this stuff, all you have to do is hit no thanks and then publish, okay? Now, once you hit publish, it's going to actually post your ad, right? So if you go to my account, you're going to be able to actually see that this was posted right here, okay? So what happens is when people see this ad, it's going to look like this, right? Attention, start today. Get the details here. Please visit our website. They're going to click here, okay? That's going to take them to Google, of course, but that would take them to your affiliate link. And the great thing is that on this website, they have all these different ads, okay? So people are going to go through, they're going to look, and they're going to see these different ads. They're going to open up ours because these right here are proven to get interest. They're proven to get clicks and people interested in what the ad is. And when someone opens it and they click our affiliate link, we're going to start to get massive traffic, okay? It really is that simple. Now, how do we scale? How do we do even better with this? Well, there's a couple ways. One way is you can use another website called the freeadforum.com, okay? This is very similar. They have all these different categories, and you would just log in or register if you're brand new to this site, publish your ad on the top right, and again, go through the same process, okay? Go through here. If you want to choose a different title, choose a different ad body, okay? All of these are proven to work. And then you want to go and post that here, and you will start to get traffic. If you do this once a day, you will start to get clicks to your link, and people, if it's a good, high converting, good selling product that you're promoting, people will go to it, they'll decide to buy, and you will start to make commissions even while you're sleeping. Now, before you get going, be sure, again, go down below, access these ads, okay, use them. You can also use them on sites like Craigslist, but also check out this system, okay? Go here, watch this free training at the first link below, because if you're getting free traffic, but you're not sending it to the right place, you're leaving stacks of money on the table. This free training is totally free. Watch that presentation, see how that program works, and if you see an opportunity for yourself, be sure you get started you get your affiliate link, and then you use this method to start to generate affiliate commissions. And the cool thing with this program is you can earn even $1,000 or more per referral. So thanks so much for watching, my friend. If you got value, be sure to smash the like button. This tells me to make more videos just like this. Also, be sure to subscribe with the bell icon. I'm going to be posting more step-by-step training videos just like this one. And until next time, my friend, thanks so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video.